Hello everybody, I hope you're all well. Welcome to Unlimited Chinese with Waleed. If you want to learn Chinese language and especially preparation of HSK exams, so watch this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Today I discuss about the word name. So let's start. How to write the word name in Chinese pinyin. And how to pronounce the word name in Chinese language. Mings. Say again. Mings. Let's start character writing. How to write the word Mings in Chinese character. So let's start. Stroke 1, stroke 2, stroke 3, stroke 4, stroke 5, stroke 6, stroke 7, stroke 8, stroke 9, stroke 10, stroke 11, and the last stroke is stroke 12. How to use the word Mings in Chinese sentence. So let's start. Ni Zhao Shema Mings. The word Ni means you, and the word Zhao means called, and the word Shema means what? The last word Mings means name. Ni Zhao Shema Mings means what is your name. Ni Zhao Shema Mings what is your name. I hope this video is very useful for you, so don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.